Hi guys, today video I'm going to unbox and review this infrared thermometer with the brand Ingco. As you can see in my hand, the infrared thermometer in the box and also the price attached. You can see the temperature we can measuring between minus 30 degrees Celsius up to 550 degrees Celsius and minus 22 Fahrenheit up to 1022 Fahrenheit. And here it has some description on the back. Back and front a little bit similar. Okay, let's take it out. In the box it has the infrared thermometer, two battery I already take out, and yes, AAA battery size. And manual. Okay, and that's all inside the box. Only the infrared thermometer and user manual. And now let's try. And as you can see some description. Okay. With the distance in question. Okay, let's start to test it. You can see the laser is pointing to the floor, and now the temperature inside my room is around 30 degrees Celsius. When you stop the gun, it will hold on the number. When you press again, press here, you can see it's now 30 degrees Celsius. For here is the laser on and off. You can see here is the laser logo. When I press, it disappear, and then there's no laser come out. When press again, you can see laser, and my body temperature is now 35.6 degrees Celsius. And this button here is for turn on and off the screen light. You can see it is in the purpose of saving the battery. Another thing is the mode button. Mode button, if you press, there's nothing show, but you have to press to use it. You have to press it, hold on for more than 2 seconds. Now I press it, and then you enter the mode. This is the setting of the temperature, highest or lowest, I'm not sure. Okay, then if you press mode once again, it okay, this is the low temperature, minus 50 degrees Celsius, and you can set in the previous setting for the highest temperature for measuring. And this one, this you can select between degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit, and press mode again to select, and then hold on for nothing. Okay, just press the gun, and then it confirm for the Fahrenheit. Now I change to degrees Celsius. Confirm, and it get to the first setting, just press the gun, and then it confirm the degrees Celsius. And I think it's all for the setting for your first time using of this Ingco infra thermometer. Okay, thank you guys, that's all for today about this Ingco infra thermometer. And if you have any question, please drop me your question in the comment box below. I will reply all your comment, and thank you for your time watching this short video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more video, and thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.